Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, in my previous video, we discussed about how to create garments factory related ledger accounts and garments related voucher entries. But today in this video, I will discuss about how to create purchase ledger, input CGST, input SGST and supplier ledger account, and creation of raw material stock items, units, stock groups and location. Location means godowns. So regarding this today we will discuss. Okay. Go to gateway of tally, select create, press enter. Select ledger. So this is over in first video. See, these are the transaction. The following raw materials purchased from Vardhaman Textiles Limited, GST at 12%, invoice number 3576 for trousers. So these are the raw materials for manufacturing trousers. Okay, and stored in main location Godown. So we need to create purchase at 12%. Input CGST at 6%, input SGST at 6% and Vardhaman Textile Limited. Okay, and stock items. These are the raw material stock items: fabric, threads, needle, buttons, zipper, hook and bar, label, price tag, lining cloth. So these are the raw material stock items. Okay, we move to create one by one. So these are the list of ledgers. Okay, create one by one. Purchase account, purchase at 12%. Under purchase account, type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST details, set to yes. Come to the nature of transaction. In nature of transaction, you have to select purchase taxable in the list of nature of transaction. Select purchase taxable, integrated tax 12%, no cess. Type of supply, select goods. So next create input CGST at 6%. Under duties and taxes, type of duty slash tax, select GST. Tax type, select central tax, accept. So next one, input SGST at 6%. Under duties and taxes, type of duty slash tax, select GST. Tax type, select state tax, accept. So next create Vardhaman Textiles Limited. Under sundry creditors, accept. Okay friends, so next create stock group, units, location. Location means Godown. So first create stock group. Escape, go to inventory master, select stock group. Raw materials. Raw materials. Under primary, should quantities of items be added, set to yes, accept. Next, units. Escape, go to inventory master, select unit, press enter, create one by one. First one, bale. Formal name, BALE, bale. So unit code BAL. bale. Number of decimal places, that is 0. Accept. So next move to packet. Packet, P-A-C-K-E-T, packet. So here no unit code, create new one, new UQC, that means unit quantity code, create here, PKT, P-A-C-K-E-T, packet, accept. So next one, box. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Select box. Roll. R-O-L, R-O-L-L-S, rolls. Accept. So next one, meter. Full form, meter, M-E-T-E-R-S, meters. Select M-T-R, meter. So next one, last one, pieces, P-I-E-C-E-S, unit code P-C-S, pieces. Okay friends. So now we finished creation of units. So next, location, finishing section and storage go done. Main location go done is default go done in Tally Prime. Don't create main location go done. Create only finishing section and storage go done. Storage go done means finished goods stored in storage go done. Select location, create new, finishing section, under primary, storage go done, storage go done. Okay. So now, creation of raw materials. Escape, go to inventory master, select stock item. Create one by one. Fabrics, under raw materials, select bale, units. So fabrics measured in bale. Accept. So next one, thread. Threads, under raw materials, threads. We better to go first question, because unit are showing in purchase transaction. So threads, that is a packet. Select packet. Needle, raw material, needle, that is also packet. Next one, buttons, buttons, under raw materials, packet. Zipper, raw materials, packet. Hook and bar, raw materials, box. Hook and bar, box. Okay. So next one, label, raw material, roll. price tag, price tag under raw material boxes. Yes, boxes. Lining cloth, lining cloth under raw materials meter. And one more raw material is there, that is packing material. So that is for shirt manufacturing raw material. See here, packing materials type, packing materials. Raw materials box. Okay friends, now we created all the raw material stock item, stock group, stock items, units, location. So all these we created now. Next we move to creation of expenses ledger. Okay. When manufacturing pant and shirt, so what are the expenses incurred by the company? We need to create all the ledger accounts. See here, creation of expenses ledger, labor charges, freight charges, rent, electricity charges, generator maintenance charges, transport charges, water charges, lunch expenses, stationery charges, security service charges, housekeeping service charges, repairs and maintenance charges, telephone charges, insurance charges, salary, Ayuda Puja expenses. We create one by one. Escape, go to accounting master, select ledger, press enter, create one by one. Labor charges, labor charges under direct expenses. All these expenses comes under direct expenses. In manufacturing company, whatever the expenses incurred by the company, they are all comes under direct expenses. Indirect expenses means that is at the time of selling and distribution. Okay. So next one, freight charges. Freight charges, rent, electricity charges, generator maintenance charges, transport charges, water charges, lunch expenses, stationery charges, security service charges, housekeeping service charges, repairs and maintenance charges, telephone charges, telephone charges, next one insurance charges, next one salary, Aida Puja, expenses. Okay friends, so these are the necessary expenses ledger for garment factory accounts. Okay friends, in my next video we will create manufacturing journal voucher type and purchase entry, stock journal entry and manufacturing journal entries. So regarding this we will discuss in next part 3 videos. Okay, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.